Hi everybody, this is Mike from the Wilkins Company. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the music system here at Cussewago Square. So this unit here is our master power. We're going to want this to be turned on if we want the system to work. This here is the amplifier that will also need to be turned on. That'll light up blue when it's on. And this is our zone mixer. This will also need to be turned on and that will also be blue. Right now we're only using the music input here. The way this works is we have this cable here that has USB-C, lightning, and a headphone jack cable connected to it, and that will go to this volume here. Each one of these colors represents a different zone on the outside of this physical building, and you can reference the map right here. Zone 1 is the yellow, Zone 2 is the red, Zone 3 is the blue, and Zone 4 is the green. So what you're doing here is you're deciding which of those zones this input here is being sent to. So if we only want it sent to the yellow zone, we would deselect these other here. If we wanted it to yellow into green, we would activate those here. So you have the ability to send it to all, to nothing, to 1, to 2, to 3, whatever combination you want here. We want this volume to be at its highest about 3 o'clock. If it's too loud, I would turn it down here. So we'll start here. And then these over here are going to be the master volumes for each one of those zones. So zone 1, zone 2, 3, and 4 are going to correlate again to these zone 1, 2, 3, and 4 over here. And we probably want to leave these volumes right about here. If it's too loud, you can turn down which zone you want to turn down. If you need to turn a zone up in particular, you can choose which one to turn on. That's pretty much it. Thanks.